On a quiet night in Iceland, a lone traveler gazes up at the sky. A faint green light begins to shimmer. Suddenly the heavens awaken. Waves of green and purple spread like a living painting across the night. People gather in silence, their faces glowing with wonder, as nature performs its most magical show. The aurora dances, curtains of light, weaving and twisting, colors too beautiful to believe. And under this cosmic masterpiece, the traveler realizes, this is more than light. This is the Earth's greatest miracle.